start over?
You go ahead.
Okay. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Bearded Practitioner. He's over here. / Andy. And Kaden. So we're back with another unboxing today.
Who's it from?
Let me see. Blackbeard Trading Company.
Ooh.
Where pirates swap gold. Here's what the box looks like from every side, except the top and bottom. The top and bottom has some information. We're not showing
our address.
We're not
Unless they're
showing
going
our
to give us
address.
candy.
Never trust people who give us candy. Alrighty, unless it's
Alright.
Halloween, though. Halloween's a good time.
Well,
A good
Halloween's
time to
Thursday.
celebrate.
It's Thursday.
Well, we're 3 days away, so
You
get ready to get your buckets of candy! I didn't.
Oh, what is that? Oh, you better open it.
Yeah.
Ooh, what is that?
Ooh, snap.
Ooh, what is that?
Ooh.
More stuff. Oh.
I like what I see already. Some butter, some balm,
And
some... Ooh, is this beard wash?
it is beard wash.
Ooh, nice. Now, this one looks cool. We're going to save this one for last.
That is the coolest. That is the newest one. Well, that's one of the newest ones.
We're saving
What's
this
it
one.
called?
It's called Ghost Ship.
Ooh.
So I'm guessing something
Spooky.
real spicy or something like that.
Maybe. Okay, what is that?
Blackbeard Trading Company, where pirates swap gold. Join Blackbeard in his company.
What does it say?
Captain's quarters.
Does it say what it is? Read the ingredients on it.
Quarters for a toast. Raise your glass of bourbon and enjoy the bourbon and enjoy the smells of tobacco, tart cherry, and I don't know. You're gonna have to read that. I can't read as well.
That's okay. You're close enough. Okay.
Which one probably? Never mind.
Oh, that one is a spray bottle, but you can lift that up and smell it too.
Oh.
That's okay.
I
Don't worry
thought
about
it was just a
it.
normal like.
No. It's a squirt bottle.
I like it.
Smells like
I like it a
bourbon
lot.
and cherry.
We're gonna do an up close of all these after we smell them.
Oh, you think so? Huh? What does it smell like?
It smells
oh,
nice.
It's nice. What does the...
Wait, let me smell it one more time.
Oh, you're gonna smell it again. I can smell that cherry. Ooh. Do you know the interesting thing about this is what?
I kind of smell marshmallow.
You smell marshmallow.
Like I actually, like not lying, I kind of smell marshmallow.
That's interesting. That's interesting.
All right. Well, we're gonna do the up close of this. It smells really good. Let's see Dad's point of view from it.
Okay, let's see what's your point.
Oh no, Dad, I want you to talk to them while I get it up and show them.
Oh, okay. This is awesome. It has a pump bottle.
It's amazing. It smells amazing. You guys should go and buy this. This is amazing.
It is. It smells like cherry and the bourbon.
Yeah.
It is very nice. Okay, so what is the bomb?
The bomb.
It is the bomb.
It is the bomb. I expect this to be the bomb.
It is. Me too. Because that is absolutely
All right. Oh wait.
one of my favorite scents ever. So what does it say on it?
Corn Annie's Revenge.
Corn.
Queen Annie's Revenge.
Queen Anne's Revenge.
Queen Anne's Revenge.
That.
No,
if
there's
anybody knows me, that is.
There's an E, so it's Annie's.
you it means Anne. The E's silent. Oh, English. Yes, very difficult. Sometimes the E's are silent for no reason.
There's no point of silencing the E.
It could be A-N-N, or Anne is also A-N-N-E.
Now, we're going to show the professional way how to open this.
Is there tape on it? Oh.
If there was tape on it, we're going to show the professional way. All right, what is wrong with this?
Okay, Kaden, in your professional way of opening bombs with, what is it? Unlike the dad who just tries it.
Oh, there's no use to pull up.
Look at.
I can smell it. Well, no, I sponsored my way. I sponsored my way for
but
nothing.
look at that.
I can smell from here. It smells amazing.
Oh, it's my favorite smell. But look at the color of it, Kaden.
Blue.
It's
This
blue instead of all the other.
These colors are a good match, and I don't think we've ever had a blue one.
That's right, we never have.
And it smells very strong.
What does
It smells
smell like?
very
What do you
strong.
think it smells like? Now think of a place that you were just at, and it smells to me like that. Next to what?
Disney.
Disney, but what was also next to California?
Seal Beach.
Seal Beach. Do you think it smells like Seal Beach?
Actually, no.
It smells like the ocean. If you go to, when we were hanging out,
See,
like
I
over
don't
by,
remember the smell. I like the smell. See, my thing is I like the smell of the sand at the beach.
Oh, okay. The sandy beach. I think that smells like Seaport Village.
The one thing I hate is when the sand gets all over your feet. That is a pain to get off when.
Or when you put it into your mom's purse.
Oh my, that was an RIP right there. That was not fun.
No, she was about ready to kill us.
She got really mad. We ruined something she spent like $15 on. That was very sticky and we ruined it, so she was annoyed at us.
But it was sandy, and the sand in the beach. Oh man, what do you think? Oh, give it to me. Let me have it. I love that smell so much. It is like one of my most favorite scents.
I kind of smell ocean.
Oh,
Not a lot of ocean.
It has seaweed in it. It has what else? So does it have the ingredients on the bottom?
All right,
See
let
if
me
it has
see.
ingredients on the bottom.
And oh my goodness, it actually is just a push down. There's no screwing to it or anything. And
does it say the ingredients?
Java oil, coconut, jojoba oil. This is why it smells like that. It's coconut oil, shea butter, beeswax, fragrance, mica. Mica.
That's you know what the mica is?
Fragrance. Could this be a beach fragrance?
It is. And do you know what the mica is? It's that. It's what makes it blue.
That's awesome.
It's the pigment. Yeah. That's cool.
All
Okay,
right.
so
well,
let's move on to.
We're gonna do the
my favorite smell. Okay, show them.
The not so fun way of finding out this. It isn't fun to find out that you've been twisting this and advertising your way and then realizing it's
just pulls up.
You just pull it off.
It's okay.
Alright, so we're gonna show you what it looks like.
Okay, Kaden.
That's what it looks like. The ship.
It's pretty and
the Queen Anne's Revenge.
The Queen. Do you know what the Queen Anne's Revenge is?
Wait, can we do?
It is Blackbeard, so it's Blackbeard's ship.
This is YouTube, so we can actually get copyrighted. I'm sad.
No, well, yes,
Oh, sorry, the song thing.
What song?
On YouTube, if you play songs, I'm pretty sure it gets taken down and you get copyrighted.
Maybe.
So I was gonna do the. Can I even say the name?
What?
I was gonna do the. Starsy Warsies theme song, and then I realized, oh no, I can't do the Starsy Warsies theme song.
Okay, well we're also doing Blackbeard's trading company.
True.
What is?
Oh wait, I'm
Pirates of the Caribbean, maybe.
Yeah. The Horizon. This beard wash has luscious aromas of raw honey, chocolate, and cocoa butter.
Ooh, honey and cocoa butter and chocolate. Ooh, that sounds pretty.
I'm smelling you first.
I was trying to get it. I was trying to get it first. I forgot that the king smeller.
Oh.
Is it good?
Oh. I smell chocolate. Like, the chocolate is super strong with the cocoa.
You love it? You feel like you have a good cup of cocoa in there?
No, you're just gonna like this smell too, because it's related to something. You know what it's related to too, but we're not saying it in this video because this video is about this specifically.
Oh, it smells like cocoa. It smells like chocolate.
Chocolate cocoa.
Yes.
All right, what we have to do up close.
So this is gonna wash the beard.
People are gonna be admiring that beard after this. After they smell that. Alrighty.
They're gonna be like, I smell chocolate.
Is it?
That's what.
See
Yeah,
if
that's
it's
the view
working.
of it. Why are you playing that?
Oh wait, I can't even play that.
Oh no! Isn't that the Huff and Puffs? No, Puffs and Stuff.
Yeah.
It's from the 70s.
Yeah.
How do you even know that? Is it on a show or something?
Don't question me.
Don't question your
Don't question
YouTubing. Don't question the amount of YouTube.
It's a try not to
the
laugh.
amount of YouTube, the
It's a
junky YouTube shows you
It's
watch.
a try not to laugh where a guy like slammed his car into a wall and it's a test drive and then it shows that turning around.
The Puff and Stuff car.
Yeah.
Okay, now is the big moment of.
I
what is
did it
this?
again. I literally did it again. I was trying to open this up.
It's okay. It's all habit. Okay, well now that one.
Ghost ship.
Ghost ship. What now? Read that one to us. What does that have in it?
Ghost ship. Blackbeard Trading Com. Ingredients: coconut oil, shea butter, fragrance, eternal use only.
Ooh, very good. Okay, so let's smell it.
No.
I like to not. Ooh, but look at the consistency.
Oh no.
That's just a little bit. Don't worry about it.
Oh,
That happens in shipping.
Dad.
Oh, it's so good. Do you see that? It's butter.
No, I want to smell first.
Go ahead and smell first.
I can't.
That's
Oh my
pretty
God.
nice, huh?
Live streams, you can sing songs. YouTube, it is so much more specific.
You can sing songs. But that is. You want to sing Ode to Joy? I think that was copyrighted a long time ago, but it's probably out of copyright now.
Well, I'm not trying to get this video taken down.
I think you're fine, bud. What's Ode to Joy?
It's a Christmas song.
Is it a Christmas
Even
song?
though it's Halloween time, we're 3 days away, but still. Christmas is
Smells
coming
so
after
clean.
Thanksgiving. We're literally
That
we're
is-
2 holidays away from Christmas, and I'm
What
already
does that
singing
smell like?
Christmas
It smells
songs.
like
It smells clean.
it smells like soapy goodness. Like a cologne soapy goodness. Oh goodness, you and your bourbon. Can we edit that out, Dad? After you smell the ghost ship. Oh, Caden Peters. Okay.
Can you actually edit that out?
Probably not. Just because it's too funny to have you not doing that. Okay. What do you have to say, Mr. Burp?
Alright, I'm good. Alright. Thank you so much for watching.
Would you buy this, Caden? Smells are good, huh? We'll have to try it in beard, but I'm pretty
Mine?
sure I've had.
Mine. Except the beard wash.
Because you don't have a beard to wash.
No, but I have to say. Oh wait, we didn't do a close up.
Oh, you want to show the ghost ship?
Close up. So that's the close up. We're done.
Okay, what do you say?
Alright, so I gotta say,
Got any words of wisdom?
definitely get these. Definitely get the soap. The soap smells
I think it's all
so good.
smells
It all smells amazing.
I know, it's all really good. And it's really good in beard, too.
Yeah,
'cause I bought his products before.
Definitely buy these four. These four are so good. I think it's the first time we've done a YouTube video for this dude.
For yeah.
Him.
For this company, yes.
Yeah. So this is
Super
amazing. 10 out of 10. 5-star.
You think so?
5-star review on
Good
this.
job. Okay, Mr. Burpee, we'll say goodbye. Have a good day.
Bye. Edit that out. Bye.